metal recycling offers a wealth of creative possibilities. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. So if you are new here or if you like this idea, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon on this video, share to your friends, family members. Scrap metal recycling of old pipes and metal rods can be a repurposed create frame for an industrial style stool. By welding these elements together and adding a wooden or metal seat, you can produce a sturdy and stylish seating option. Such stools are perfect for both kitchens and workshops, offering a rugged aesthetics. Using bicycle frame and gears, you can craft a unique chair. The seat can be fashioned from old bicycle saddle, while handlebars can serve as our mates. This project not only recycles metal but also scrap other bicycle components, making for an eye-catching and conversion storing piece, tables and desks. A desk frame using old metal pipes and fittings. The pipes provide a solid and industrial look, and you can complement the desk with a wooden or metal surface. This combination of materials gives a modern yet rustic feel, suitable for home offices and studios. An old metal gear can serve as a base for all small table. Attach a round glass or wooden top to the gear, and you have a unique and sturdy side table. This project highlights in the intricate designs of material pots, transformation them into a functional art. Recycling scrap metal not only helps reduce waste but also fosters creative and craftsmanship. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe for more these ideas. By remaining and repurposing these materials, you can create beautiful, functional and unique pieces that tell a story of contribute to a sustainable futures. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching video.